Here's a quick look at how to play Do I Wanna Know by Arctic Monkeys. Standard tuning and no capo. This riff is going to start off on the low E string, hammer on from 1 to 3. We're then going to play 1 on the A, back to 3 on the low E. The second part of the riff starts off the same, hammer on 1 to 3 on the low E, grab 1 on the A, go to D string, slide up from 1 to 3, back down to 1 on the D. So far. We're then going to grab 3 on the A, slide up to 5, come back down to 3. Go to 1 on the A, hammer on to 3, slide up to 5, back to 3. So. We're then going to hammer on from 1 to 3 on the A string, slide up 3 to 5, hammer on 3 to 5, go to 3 on the low E string. One more time. We then restart the riff from there. So the whole riff played slowly sounds like this. The variation to this riff starts off the same way, it just ends differently. So we start off here. We change at this point here. We go to 5 on the A, 10, 6, both on the A. We've then got this little riff. So we've got 3 hammer on to 5 on the A, slide up from 5 to 6, back to 5, back to 3. Then we've got 1, 3 on the A, then a hammer on 1 to 3 on the A, up and D, play the low E string. Okay, so from the 5. Start the riff off again from that part there. The second time through the variation starts off the same way with the hammer on 1 to 3 on the low E. We hit 1 on the A, 3 on the low E, then we go straight up to 10 on the A, down to 6 on the A. We've then got that riff again. 3 hammer on 5 on the A, slide up to 6, back to 5, 3, then 1, 3, and this time we'll just hit the low E string at the 3rd fret twice. Okay, so that's second variation. We'll start through the riff again. Good luck jamming along with this fantastic song. Any requests, please let me know in the comments. Good luck with this one. Happy practicing and take care.